Hello and welcome back to CS 128 Honors. In this tutorial video, we're going to be switching it up a little bit and setting up Git and GitHub. So in order to do this, make sure that you're signed in with your VM for 128. And the first step you're going to want to do is do sudo snap install gh. And so what this is going to do is it's going to, as a super user, which is the sudo command, we'll use the package manager snap to install the GitHub command line tool. And this allows you to authorize yourself using GitHub without having to do any weird things like install SSH keys or personal access tokens. So once you do that, you're going to hit enter, and you should see something along the lines of fetching and setting it up. And once you're done, you should be able to type in GH, and you'll see something like this. Now, at this point, what we want to do is log into GitHub. So to do that, we're going to type gh auth login. And this is saying, GitHub, authorize me by logging me in. And when you type that in, it will give you a prompt, and you're going to follow it just like me. We're going to be using github.com, and we will be using HTTPS. And then we will be authenticating with our GitHub credentials, so we'll hit yes or Y. And now it's going to ask us whether we want to log in with a web browser or paste an authentication token. We're going to choose to log in with a web browser, so we're going to hit enter again. And at this point, you'll see a one-time code that will pop up, and make sure to copy this code. And then you can hit enter, but because you're in a virtual machine, it won't actually open the browser. So what you need to do now is go to this URL, which will be in the description as well, and then it should look something like this, where you will then take the code that you got from the previous screen, enter it in like so, and hit continue. Then you'll see this exact sort of UI where it will say it would like additional permissions to do all of these different things, and you can hit authorize, and once we do that, it will ask for your password, and once you've set up your password, it will look like this. So congratulations, you're all set. And if we go over here, you should now see authentication complete. Press enter to continue, and once you do that, you can now see that you're logged in and are able to clone repositories.